Hey guys, if you own your own florist business, part of it is keeping track of your income and expenses. I have a really easy spreadsheet that can help you keep track of it so you can see your income and expenses for the entire year. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel, and I'm going to show you how it works. So here we have the dashboard. This is all coming in on formulas, and it's coming in from the income and expense tracker as you put in items. So it will show you your total income that you've made for the year, the total expenses that you've spent, what your income and expenses were, how much tax did you pay, and what your net profit was for that month. And then it will also show you down here your income, expenses, tax, and total net income. These charts will easily show you your income by month, so you can put your mouse over it to see how much you made by month. And then this will show you your expenses on this side per month. This chart will show you how much you've made in income, and then you'll also see your expenses. Okay, so the income and expense tracker is really easy to use. I'll show you how it works. So we'll put in the date here of the item, and you can choose if it's an income or an expense. So let's just say income, and say we sold a floral package A, and then this is to the new customer, and let's say that you made $950.25. This will add up towards your total income right here at the top. And say part of your expenses, say you spent $52.49 on expenses. And then at the top, it's going to show you all of your expenses for that period. And then if you paid tax, say you paid $5.20 in tax, and then that is your net profit. If you want to put any notes, need new supplies, you can put that in there as well. So this is really, really easy to use. If this is not 2025, this can be used for any year. All you need to do is go up to the formula and change it to the new year, hit enter, and it will calculate all the way down what year it is. And then you'll just come in here, highlight everything, hit the delete button, and you can start from scratch. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is available at savvyandthriving.com. I have an entire bundle for a florist to be able to use to calculate pricing, get organized with appointments and events. There's a ton of sheets in there, and I'd love for you to see it. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.